boys at the back, alam mo namang papalag. Kailan pa sabihin mo sa'kin kung kailan na bahag? Kahit san pa ilapag, lalabas ng balagbag. Yato geko ang pambungad kung sino ang lalabag. Yeah, anim kami sa may likod ng kaupo. Kapag ka nag-discuss si ma'am, lahat dapat nakayuko. Kahit pa anong sabihin, kaya makipagbuno. Sulatan o palitan bara kahit pa nakaupo. Ako yung pinakamatalik mong dapat kabaliwano. Dumistansya ka ng konti, doon ka sa harapan. Bilang na lang sa akin daliri, sino dapat kampihan? Kasi nabuhay sa takot, kaya nakabalot pa rin ng katuturan. Kaya sino yung akala mong mahina sa lahat? Basbasado ng ilan sa paraang inuungkat. Basa ko na yung pagkatao, kaya bakit kagulat? Hindi mo inasang sa'kin ka pala na nagmula. I understand what is coming from my mouth. I just wanted you to see that I'm not doing this for clout. Kung walang magandang sasabihin, pwedeng mag-shut ng mouth. Winalis lahat ng mga sumasabit lang sa cloud. 10 toes down, balang araw maghahari. Aabutan ko pa yung pagtaas netong bahaghari. Kita mo ilang taon lieg nila ay binabali. Kung meron man umarang sa'kin yun ay di nabali. Kasi bata pa lang binamulat na sa'kin ng mga ganitong laro. Di mo masisi kung bakit hindi mapatigil. Hindi kasi ako bano, hindi man tulad sa mga tulonggas. Kaya sa'kin ka dapat nangungupo. Wala akong katulad, hindi kaya ng taga sa'min. Lahat sila pinaupo.
I'm staring at the board, but I ain't understanding, cause I was sleeping on the floor. Teacher is talking about honesty, I'm getting worried, so I don't know what this is for. Last rule, let's just sit like a clan. Teacher got questions, don't raise a hand. Homework finished, that wasn't the plan. Who's listening? Nobody fam, yeah. Back in the room, we causing the scene. Teacher keep looking, we acting all clean. Whole lot of nothing's what we are seeing. Someone making the loudest routine. Classic is spinning, I'm missing the point. Broken whispering, cracking a joint. Not that kind, just a joke in the class. Teacher said quiet, we laughed and it passed. Let's keep shaking, my homie get chill. One little giggle could turn it to thrill. Teacher walk closer, we straight in the quick. Soon as she turned, we back on our tricks.